Most people trying to deal with H. pylori don't fail because they're doing nothing. They fail because their approach is incomplete. In this video, you'll see what a structured approach actually looks like and why it works when other methods don't hold, so you can move forward with clarity instead of constantly restarting. By now, you've seen that H. pylori is not just about the bacteria themselves. It's also about the environment it creates in the stomach and how that affects digestion and symptoms over time. That means fixing the problem properly requires more than just one step. A structured approach focuses on 3 key areas working together. First up is reducing bacterial load consistently. Not aggressively for a few days, but steadily over a defined period of time. Second, changing the stomach environment to make it less supportive of bacterial persistence. This approach helps prevent the cycle of temporary improvement followed by relapse. Third, allowing the stomach lining and digestive system to recover and stabilize. Even after the bacteria are reduced, the gut still needs time to repair. If one of these steps is missing, the results are usually short-term, and this is why many people feel like they're making progress, but never quite resolving the issue, because they're only addressing part of the problem. A structured approach removes that guesswork. It creates a simple, consistent process that works with how the infection behaves, not against it. That doesn't mean complexity. It means clarity and consistency over time. Because the biggest mistake people make is constantly changing direction. New idea. New method. Restarting the process. But H. pylori doesn't respond well to inconsistency. It responds to sustained, structured pressure over time. Once the bacterial load is reduced and the environment begins to shift, symptoms start to ease. And when the gut lining has time to recover, those improvements are far more likely to last. That's the difference between temporary relief and long-term resolution. Now that you understand what a proper approach looks like, the next step is knowing what to eat during this process. Because diet can either support recovery or slow it down.